Stop wasting time searching for hidden settings. Here is the definitive 2026 guide to canceling your Fubo subscription in under 2 minutes. I'm Roberto for Sleek Guides. Fubo has updated their interface and retention policies recently, so follow these exact steps to avoid any surprise charges. Most of you signed up directly via the Fubo website. Start by navigating to the official site on your desktop or mobile browser and sign into your main profile. Once you're in, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner. Click it to reveal the drop-down menu and select My Account. On the account dashboard, look at the sidebar on the left-hand side. You'll see several options. Click on Subscription and Billing to view your plan details. This page shows your next billing date and total cost. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click the small link that says Cancel Subscription. Fubo uses aggressive retention screens. You'll likely see an offer for a discount or the option to pause your account. To continue, click Cancel Subscription again. Next, you'll be asked for a reason why you're leaving. Select any option that fits, then click Complete Cancellation at the bottom of the form. Don't close the tab yet. A final confirmation page will appear. You must click OK to finalize the process. If you don't, the cancellation might not stick. Check your inbox immediately. You should receive an automated cancellation confirmation email. Keep this as proof of your request. What if you're billed through a third party? If you see a message saying billed by Roku or Apple, you can't cancel on the Fubo website. For Roku users, highlight the Fubo app on your home screen, press the star button on your remote, and select Manage Subscription to find the cancel option. On iPhone or Apple TV, go to your system settings, tap your name at the top, select Subscriptions, and manage your Fubo account from there. Google Play users should open the Play Store, tap their profile icon, and head to Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions to terminate the service. Important update for 2026. If you cancel a free trial started through the website, your access is cut off immediately. Wait until 24 hours before it expires. Paid subscribers retain access until the end of their current cycle. Note that Fubo does not provide partial refunds for quarterly or annual plans. A quick note for users in Canada, Fubo stopped accepting PayPal in April 2026. If you haven't updated your payment method, your account may have been auto-cancelled. In summary, identify your billing source, navigate past the retention offers, and always verify with your confirmation email to ensure you aren't billed again. If this guide saved you time and money, hit that subscribe button for more high-value tech tutorials from Sleek Guides.